Welcome to week 1. To get started, you will read this article, which is located on the ASU Library Search. You can access it through the search link here, or you can access the article directly through this link. Secondly, you'll need to read the lecture, which is in a PDF format. This lecture will give you information that will be relevant for future topics in the course, as well as help you with the quiz. There's a short video to watch and 2 assignments this week. The first assignment is 25 things. In this assignment, you will need to share with the instructors 25 random facts that you don't know about me. This is a really fun excitement, so please get creative. But within your 25 facts, please make sure you include at least 3 facts about something from your cultural background and include these criteria. Please star or highlight these 3 so they are easy for us to find. There is a rubric here to help guide you, and we really look forward to reading this because it really helps us get to know you. The last assignment is a time toast. You will need to go to this website and research 10 historical events that have shaped education multicultural in the past 50 years. You'll create a timeline, and with that timeline, you'll do this on this website called Time Toast. The directions are here on how to access Time Toast and to create that project. Please make sure that you have at least 10 events, a photograph for each, and you have a date. And it definitely has to have a summary of 2 to 4 sentences for each event that has impacted multicultural education. Please do not just give a summary of the event. Please make sure you state why it has impacted multicultural education. You will then submit a link, which gives you directions right here on how to get that link as your assignment. Please feel free to just paste it on a Word document, that link, and submit the Word document, and I will access the link from that. Lastly, you have your quiz, and that should do it for week 1. As always, if you have any questions, please contact us.